Ritika Adhikari and I am from Sohbari. I read in class 6 and we came for a trip mushroom cultivation from Modern English School Nikasi.
How do you feel today?
I feel very excited and I am so happy.
Till now, what do you learn here?
We have learned how to grow mushrooms and we have learned many things to recycle waste things, to make waste to wealth. We learned.
And what do you say to your other friends from here after going to from here?
That we have not to waste things. We have to recycle it and we have to make waste to wealth.
Do you like agriculture?
Yeah.
Do you know what is agriculture?
Agriculture is a cultivation. So we can learn many things from it.
Inside your pack. Yes, definitely. You don't go there, na? In the small pack. Now?
Where laughing?
Yes, yes. Now? The most I
মাছবিলাক দি দিয়া আছে ধৰি পেলাই বেগ কোথায় তুমি গেছে কি হবে বেগ মাত্র আনবে শীতকাল
Wow!